Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to show you a little tip on boot lids and how to get them to line up on the back of the car. In this case you can actually see this boot sits below the line. And ordinarily, I guess a lot of people in the old days they would unbolt this and put a shim underneath to try and raise the boot lid so that it meets that edge. Or you would go to the trouble of trying to tap that edge up to make it meet that edge. I'll just show you this little trick. It's been around for years. We did it in the crash repair days when I was working in collision repair centres. And what we need to do is just stretch this hinge. And how we did that was with the timber, blocks of wood. And we'd just get the timber to sit underneath the hinge like that. If you come around this side you'll see the view. What we're trying to achieve here, we're trying to stretch this spring out, the hinge out, sorry. So as it comes down, you can slowly see that it touches on the top of the timber. And we'll push on that and it will actually stretch the hinge. Okay, let's have a look and see if we've made any difference. So you can see there straight away that the ruler's going over the top of it now. Needs a little bit more of adjustment, but it's very close. We'll just give it another little tweak. Timber on under the arch of the hinge. Not a lot of pressure, you don't go crazy, you don't want to be bending actually the frame on the inside of the boot lid too much. Make sure your timber's lined up in the right spot. And just an even pressure on the boot lid. Just have a look at that and see how that's going. So that's a lot better than what it was. Yeah, it's lining up nicely. So you may need just a finesse to bump up that edge a little bit. But you can see it's come up 2 or 3 mil. And it's going to help you achieve what you want to achieve. I think with these older cars, the way the gaps are set up and how they're all done and what they finish off like is pretty important. Just makes it a nicer job all round. Alright, that's that tip for today. Thanks for watching.